CBPM Social Media Lab, was proposed to archive, disseminate, and resonating the business college's research, teaching and school activities via multiple social media channels. WKU community will be using the studio as a hub of contents creation for world-class education and social impact making throughout providing MOOC, micro-courses, lecture series, business pitch, and introducing CBPM's activities.
The WKU CBPM Social Media Lab idea was coined by the demand of innovative education technology. Business students want to access the best quality of education without borders and time limits. In responding to the demand of business students, WKU CBPM wants to create, archive, and disseminate the College of Business's the best quality of knowledge in order to resonate with stakeholders and business communities. Many prominent business schools actively use the social media to archive and disseminate their new knowledge. Also, they connect and expand social networks via social media. In 2018 fall, WKU CBPM started transforming the broadcasting and recording room in the building as a lively studio for audio and visual contents making.
Aligning with Keen and WKU CBPM's mission, WKU CBPM Social Media Lab is creating massive open online courses, micro-courses for world-class business education. The Social Media Lab is creating many innovative and meaningful contents to encourage business innovation and entrepreneurship. Meanwhile, many fun and casual contents that show the WKU CBPM's activities in school life are showing up for general public.
Congratulations the opening of the Lab Center for Business School.
The Social Media Lab of WKU CBPM will continually create the best quality of educational contents for business community. Also, the Social Media Lab will be contributing to make positive social impact basing on CBPM's newly created knowledge, strategy, and activities. Thank you.
Yes. Congratulations to the opening of this facility.
Say in Chinese.
Okay.
Okay.
热烈祝贺。
Okay, thank you.
Okay.